Have you been overdoing it with these crisps? Well, I have been, and I've decided it's time to swap these crisps for something much healthier. So I'm going to just bake and make some beetroot crisps, and they are good. So just taking a beetroot and peeling it. I am just leaving this top bit on for this minute, and I've got a really nice fine slicer here, and I will just slice this beetroot up. And by keeping this on top, it's much easier to hold when you're just at the end of the beetroot, and then you don't waste anything. That's it. See how fine and how thin these slices are. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm just going to very slightly, not go mad, but very slightly just dab all that extra moisture from the beetroot. And all of these slices, very carefully without breaking them, go back in the bowl, and I'm just going to add a couple of things. So in goes some olive oil, not much needed at all, and just a good pinch of salt, don't need much at all, and a good pinch of pepper. And then very carefully, I'm just going to rub it all on the slices. So this here are 2 whole beetroots that I have sliced into thin crisps. And now I'm gonna lay them just single sheet, just don't put them one on top of the other, otherwise they won't crisp up. Just place them on a baking tray. So I've got the oven on at 130C, 140C, and it's preheated, and this is now going to go in for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes we're going to turn all these over and then bake it for another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes, and so now I'm going to leave these aside to cool down and crisp up. My only tip is that if your slices are thick, then bake them for longer. Keep the temperature low and just bake them for longer, maybe 15 more minutes. Just keep a close eye. But because these are so thin, they have cooked really in 25 minutes. You have to let them sit aside and cool down, only then will they crisp up. Obviously you've seen they are so healthy, so you can get rid of the potato crisps and get these beetroot crisps in your kitchen, and you can enjoy them guilt-free. They're so delicious. I can't stop eating now. I do hope you will give this a go. Come back tomorrow for another brand new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe.